Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am in Houston, Texas, hosting an open house out in the Champions Forest area. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 3,200 square foot home, and it's listed at $356. Take you through a quick walkthrough of this beautiful home, and see what you think. If it's worth $356,000. Kitchen is beautiful. They just redid it. See if I can get you good angles on this. And lovely living area, excuse me. Nice fireplace, built-in bookshelves. Bedrooms are upstairs. Give you a quick glimpse of the game room. Yeah, all bedrooms are upstairs, including the primary. A nice utility room. Little man cave here. Pool table's negotiable. TV, I believe, is staying. Doesn't have a garage, but it has a 2-car port. And here's your backyard. Nice. Get you a better angle here in a second. Camera's trying to get wonky on me. And this is the backyard. So if you're looking for a home in the Houston area, 3,200 square feet, $356, won't last on the market much longer. Hit me up if you have any questions on this or any of the homes in the area. Talk to you soon.